welcome back again to my channel Philanagos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna share with you that I'm going to my training center for taking the certificates. Today is I'm happy a little bit because in our life, people, we should be happy in small things and then big thing will come. So whatever we achieve, we have to be happy, so your life will be good. So today in this video guys, I'm not taking long time, so I'm going to take the certificate for my training center, which I have done my training within 3 months. I will make video when I will take the certificates in my training center. So see you guys, enjoy the video. They are telling that we have to reach in that training center at 11 AM sharp. So I'm still on the way guys. So as you have seen here, this is our training center. I think there is no student. I don't know. Oh, there is. So guys, finally I reached here. Right now they have not opened the gate. We are here, students also they are coming, but the teacher they didn't come. I think they will arrange at 11:30 and all. So guys, oh, they are opening now. They are opening. Yes, this is my classmate. So here we are going to. So here. This is Madep, and then that is where we compost, that green one, and this is where we wash. This blue here are the training. PLANTICA. What? It's stone ulta. So here I'm going inside now. This. You are also student? Yeah. Okay. From which college? Okay. Oh, I see. See guys, here is they have arranged. So guys, have you seen? Yeah, look. Yeah, so elegant. Here we will receive this certificate of reading program. So here only guys, here is our seat. Now no one is coming. This is our faculties who teach us PLANTICA group. Assignment? क्यों आया यहाँ पे? सर्टिफिकेट चुराने।
I would like to know about the feedback of our training program. तो एक फॉर्म हमने सबमिट किया है, आप लोगों को दिया है ना? So you should have to submit as soon as possible. कुछ लोगों ने कर दिया है, जिन्होंने नहीं किया है वो भी कर दे, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा हमें भी बेटरमेंट के लिए कुछ चीज़ों की जरूरत पड़ती है, ठीक है? और अभी आप लोग जो कोई फीडबैक अगर यहाँ पर देना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पर आके अपना फीडबैक दे सकते हैं।
मतलब लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलता है जो एक्सपेरिमेंट, जैसे कि नाटेड वगैरह हो गया, और जिससे हमारा
ठीक है। थैंक यू। और उसका मार्केटिंग वगैरह भी वॉइस ओवर कर दूँ, ठीक
है। Hi bro, this is wrong bro.
This is wrong. क्यों? Show your certificate. हाँ खींच लो, फोटो खींच लो। रेडी? हाँ ब्रो, फोटो नहीं है ब्रो। So guys, I told you before from the starting of the video that today in this video I'm just going to take the certificate from the training that I have done with 3 months. So now I'm on the way to home. I'm going home. So right now I'm just taking rest here because I'm a little bit tired. Now here I'm in the main road. So guys, hope you enjoy my video. So please like, share, so you never miss any update from my channel. Enjoy my video in any video. So see you in the next video guys. Bye. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you all. Happy New Year and in advance, and then Merry Christmas, belated Merry Christmas to you all. See you guys. Bye bye.